The AEONIAN project presents a hypothetical plan of a spacecraft designed for NASA Ames Space Settlement Contest. The problem that space travel faces are solved with the use of some innovative ideas. The name of the spacecraft is AEONIAN, term that refers to the unending bliss of heavens. The name of the spacecraft also emphasizes its purpose, which is the birth of a society which will last for a long period of time. The logo of the spacecraft, by integrating the number of Fibonacci within the spacecraft logo, it is symbolized the harmony and the perfection of creation, which is the base of the spacecraft design and the perseverance of human values into space. The location of the spacecraft orbiting around Callisto allows us to use a large amount of water. Callisto also has a frozen crust in which oxygen is captive, which is a valuable resource, I might say.
The shape of the spacecraft permits artificial gravity, which is obtained by rotating the 6 halves of oblate spheroids around the hexagon prism. It can host around 5,000 people. The spacecraft is divided in 4 main areas, A, B, C, and D, and in 7 sections. The first and the seventh one are storage sections. The second is canteen. The third and fourth are living areas. The fifth is the section designated for the roots of the climbing plants, and the sixth is a medical center. The materials used in most important parts of the spacecraft have sensors at a nanometer level which monitorize the condition of the materials. The outer surface of the spacecraft is made out of special ceramic made of Nextel. Titanium alloy is also used for the hexagonal prism as well as connections to the other spheroids. The components are being delivered to the International Space Station on low Earth orbit, where after the assembly will begin its way towards Callisto. The most important features in our projects are the living dwellings. These houses are 100% live, and they are beneficial for the human psyche as well as providing oxygen. The houses are made of climbing plants, which are having their roots in the vertical decks.
During the travel to the final destination, the ionic engine is used because it is ideal for long distances. The energy source which supplies this ionic engine is the nuclear reactor of fission, which is located within the hexagonal prism, and the fuel used by it is uranium.
The sectors designed for agriculture are B5, fish and plants breeding, and C5, factories specialized in processing the products resulted from agriculture. Fish have a very important role on our spacecraft as they are used in medicine, healing patient burns. They provide hydropower, and their meat provide the passengers a healthy meal rich in proteins.
The plastic bags are replaced by bags made of yucca, the root of a plant. The resulting bags are used to dissolve in the water and being as well comestible. The plastic bottles are replaced by bottles made of algae, which in lack of liquid, they contract and they are usable. Urine might be also recycled. In the concept of urine, through osmosis, ammonia is extracted from urine, and with the fuel cells, result a renewable energy. As concerning the waste, the organic waste is compressed and stored to the roots of the trees, whereas the non-organic waste through combustion help to the maintenance of the spacecraft engines.
Inspiration for the interior design. William Morris was an inspiration for us, and here is a painting by him. He was an artist, a poet, and an activist in Victorian Britain. He decided not to use chemicals in his works of art, and that way he honored nature and he sent a subtle message against industrialization. On the political field, he spoke out about a controversial opinion about socialism, and gave us courage to conduct the project. We conducted the experiment, the social experiment, by dividing the population into sectors, one that has a socialist system and one that has a capitalist system. The political organization has the purpose to maintain peace between the two parties and remain impartial. The political organization is a democratic one. Thank you for watching.